welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make vegan whipped cream made with aquafaba. And if you don't know what that is basically the water inside a can of chickpeas. And I have never made this before, so we're gonna see if it works. Leave the recipe, and I will leave the recipe that I used in the description box below. So let's get started. Here's my liquid from my can of chickpeas. Beat that until it is foamy. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and beat for 5 more minutes. Then I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Beat that for 7 more minutes. And after 7 minutes, slowly add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar. And I sifted it. After you mix the powdered sugar, add 2 tablespoons of canola oil and only mix for about 10 seconds. Okay, let's try this. So I put some blueberries and bananas and strawberries with it and put my whipped cream on top. So I'm gonna try it now. Get all the fruit on with it. Oh, my strawberry fell. Oh no, okay. Here we go. That is actually really good. Now I would probably choose the So Delicious whipped cream brand. It's like made out of coconut milk and stuff. I would probably choose that over this, but it's still pretty good. And I'm still really mind blown that like chickpea water can make this. Like what? So yeah. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below for more videos like this, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys. Just kidding! So actually I decided that I'm gonna try to make meringues with some of this. So I just like put little blobs on a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm just gonna put it in the oven, and I'll tell you if it turns out. Alright guys, that is it. I actually liked the meringues a little bit better than the whipped cream. So yeah, those were really good. But anyways, goodbye for real this time. Bye.